Welcome back. It's art time, class. Yay. Can you say hi? Hey, I'm joined today by my helper, and we're going to show you a fun art game that you can play. What you'll need is a white crayon. Here's a white crayon. I also have some silver and gray crayons to kind of show you an example. It's a little easier to see. And then you'll also want some nice markers. And here I have some highlighters for just to be fun. But markers for this works as well. Let's get started. Yeah, let's get started. So what you do first is with your white crayon, you're going to write something out. So you could draw a picture of like a heart. And then I'm going to say I love you. That's right. You knew what I was going to say. Because I do love you. Oh. Oh. Thank you for my hug. They gave me a hug. Okay. And then I'm going to finish my word. And right now I'm pressing down pretty hard when I'm doing this. Okay. Let's do some more examples. So here's like some gray. Here is a silver. It's a little lighter. Wait, what was that? Oh, that was Timberwolf gray. And then this one's silver. And let's do white heart. So maybe even like having a picture with crayon. And then doing some details in white, like their secret details. And then we're going to go over it with some markers. Can you help with that? Want to use one? Okay. So over here, I have my first heart. You'll see. It's hidden in there. You want to do one? Yeah. Pick what color do you want to use? What color marker? Pink? Okay. I like that colors. Well, I like all the colors. Mommy likes all the colors. Pink. Yay. Let's do some more colors in crayon too. So like do you like a fun spiral design? Oh, I'm so strong. Why did I do that? I pressed down so hard. Oh, my crayon broke in half. Well, that just means I can share easily. And I am super strong. I need to learn how to control my strength. Remember I talked to you about our strength when we're using the crayons? Yeah, you gotta be careful with that. I'm gonna go over with blue. Ooh, pretty. And some yellow. So the crayon has wax in it that resists the marker. So we call this a crayon resist in art. And it's really fun when you use white to do secret messages. I haven't uncovered my full message yet. I love you. Yay! And the markers and highlighters are fun to layer. Ooh, yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed our game. Did you like it? Do you like this? Was it fun? I know, I had an uh-oh. But I had a lot of fun with you. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep being creative. Can you say bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.